Good morning to everyone in USA. Good afternoon to everyone in Europe and Africa. My name is Anand Thakkar and I am the host for today's event. Well, this is the first time in the history of Roha that we are conducting a global event which is being streamed live. We have employees in this live event participating from USA, Europe and South Africa. You must have heard a famous saying which states that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Well, this year's table calendar has themes like Ludo, Snakes and Ladders, Cat and Mouse, etc. Many employees are wondering about the concept of these calendars, the reason, the way in which it is designed. So, I can tell you that all your queries and doubts will be resolved today. To give you more insights on this concept and theme, I would now like to invite Ms. Gauri Vichare and take this event forward.
Thank you, Anand. Hello, everyone. Hope you and your family are healthy and safe during these challenging times. On behalf of Roha, I'd like to welcome you today. For those of you who don't already know me, my name is Gauri Vichare and I am from Marketing Department working in Roha Head Office in India. It is an indeed pleasure addressing you and appreciate you giving this event your time today. As Anand rightfully said, this being a global live event, a first of its kind, we all together today are witnessing this historic moment of Roha. Let me go back to December 2019, the beginning of pandemic. Who knew that the life was going to be a complete standstill? Almost everything changed around us. Our entire lifestyle changed and eventually we started accepting this new normal. Well, I'm not here to speak on COVID-19. Instead, I would like to point out one thing. A very renowned saying that goes, change is the only constant. So dear colleagues, I would like to inform you that our Roha is also bringing in a change in our work approach, a change in our culture. As you know, company culture is an integral part of business which affects every aspect of a company. It's a backbone of a happy workforce. So, to introduce you to this great concept which is termed as play, allow me to welcome Mr. Brijesh Tibrewala and Mr. Mahesh Tibrewala, whom we respectfully address as our Brijesh Sir and Mahesh Sir, to deep dive us into the details of play and how it would benefit one and all beyond the geographical boundaries.
A good day to you. I hope you are doing great today. Mahesh and me want to announce something exciting today for everyone at Roha. But before I get into it, I will talk about the relevance of today's happenings for all. 2020 was a year that tested our resolve. It brought about changes that no one could have imagined. But we kept going forward. We persevered. If there is one thing we have been reminded of during this time, it's that change is the only constant. And at Roha, we are used to that. We are in the habit of improving ourselves every day. Over the past year, a part of our team has been working on where Roha should be next. You are all doing great things, and raising the bar from there needs a special nudge. The little bit of changes we are introducing to you are a new way of life. We want this to be the way we work, the way we collaborate, the way we use colors and ingredients, and the way we engage with our clients. At Roha, we are calling this play, a world of ingredients, a world of fun. I want you to give play your best and show us the side of you we have never known.
When we think of play, we think about fun, children, but that's not what play is all about. Play is a concept which we want to incorporate into our day-to-day working, into our corporate lives to make work more fun and more lively. The concept is to bring harmony and to enhance our teamwork. So when we talk about play, we're going to incorporate a lot of HR activities around team building so that we feel that work is a play and we enjoy our work on a day-to-day basis. There are different ways in which we intend to facilitate the concept play. One of the first ways in which we wanted to incorporate play was the 2021 calendar, which most of us have on our desk already. If you look at the calendar closely, the theme play is incorporated beautifully into the whole concept. You can use this calendar to obviously look at the dates and put in your tasks, but at the same time, it's a great tool for us to play with our team members, with our family members. During our free time, it helps us increase our bonding and work more efficiently. HR would help us conduct a lot of activities during the year, locally, regionally, and internationally. We would also encourage you to come forth with a lot of encouraging ideas which you feel will enhance the experience of play. While all the above activities are for our internal team, what about the customers? The way we would like customers to feel play is through the customer experience we give them. We request all of you to ensure that we give 100% to each and every customer, wherein they get the feeling that we're a customer-centric organization and work becomes play for them. Also, we would like to present to you the new website and marketing collateral. Gauri will walk you through them shortly, but what I can tell you right now is the word play or the theme play has been a central theme around the entire design part of it. Play begins with us wherever we are. Our colleagues in HR and admin will ensure that the theme is executed during the year. Let's play.
Hello everyone, this is Gauri Vichare and I would be presenting to you the new website and marketing collateral on the lines of play concept. But before I proceed, hope going ahead we plunge on to the play concept and try and get the best out of it for ourselves and for our Roha. As you have seen in the launch video earlier, we are bringing new collateral and website for you to play with. As a concept, the design possibilities of play can be expansive, yet product-centric. Play is young at heart and manifests itself through vibrant and earthy colors and dynamism in its layout. Deeply rooted into the business of food and industrial colors and dehydrated food products, reflecting freshness and keeping up with the colorful side of the brand was the need of the hour, and to adapt to the newer way of communication, play was the solution. So, here I present to you our new website, which is easy to navigate, more informative, covering all our brands, products, applications, and innovations. Alright, so this is our new website. Colorful, fresh, vibrant, and user-friendly. Exactly fitting in with our clients' expectations of the business and industry we are in. Moving back to the top, as soon as the website loads, the first thing that you can see are the web banners meant for all type of product promotions. The menu bar on the right has the list of product ranges, innovations, and other important links. Before I proceed with the product range, let us take a look at the Innovations tab, as all the NPDs would be promoted here. Currently, there are 2 products here, out of which I will take you through Natracol Rose Pink, just to give you an idea of how the information would be. It starts with the description of the product, followed by all the technical details. For any enquiries, the user can fill in the form which shall be sent to a configured email ID. Now let's take a look at the product range. From the food color division, here I select Clean Label, which is our Futurals brand as an example. On this page, you shall see Futurals application range. On selection of any application, say beverages, it redirects to a sub-application range. The color range tab opens up to more information of the product range and their technical specification. A sample request call to action is programmed for the user to reach us. Same is the flow for the other food color brands. Now coming to the dehydrated ingredients range, new foods, the page opens up to the brand description, followed by the brand USP and the application range. Each application range has a drop-down that opens up to their respective sub-applications and necessary information. Okay, let's scroll back to Industrial Color Range Simpsons. The page opens up to a lovely orange landing page with the same flow of brand description followed by the product range and the application range. Let us go through paints and coatings and application of Simpsons as an example. As you see, each product here has a detailed description and the respective color range, which opens up to the hues, the product name, CI name and numbers and a sample request link. I would now like to take you back to the home page and scroll down to the insights and roundups. The blog section. Currently, we have few topics here, but this will be an interesting area to explore with the trending content. The website covers other aspects of the business, which are the CSR activities, the events, the regulations, and of course a career link for all those who wish to join Roha. Before I end the presentation of the website, let us take a look at the contact page. This page is dynamic in nature and shares complete details of all our offices spread across the globe, followed by the inquiry form and geotagging of office locations on Google Map. Alright, so we are done with the website. I would request you to take a look at it later in length and also hope you like browsing it. Now I proceed to the next segment, which is the brand collateral. But before that, I would like to share some facts around Play. In October 2019, it was decided to rebrand the collateral and website. Many concepts were presented, but the Play concept pulled our attention. The work started full-fledgedly and March 2020 was the month scheduled for the launch. However, COVID-19 hit us and the entire world went into lockdown. During this phase, the management thought of introducing a cultural change as an extension to the Play concept to embrace a playful side and fun new ways to solve complex issues. The team had to face a lot of challenges as there were many dependencies. And today, almost a year after, the Play concept is launched. So I would like to tell you, with the Play concept, the collateral are knowledgeable but expressed in a simple and friendly way, business messaging with a soft touch, professional attitude with a human face. At a brand level, it immediately connects to the idea of playing with colors and ingredients. Here I start with the brochures. For Roha, the concept of Play works at multiple levels. At a communication level, it brings a new, fresh appeal, young, vibrant, colorful, bright, and eye-catching. The primary color of each brand is used as the background color of the creative for that brand. The same way, each product color will be defined. The cutout of the images used are to emphasize the focus on the various applications and sources, and the font too is standardized for all the communications of the Roha brand. Both the brochures and flyers have the necessary information to share with the customers. They are also available in the e-versions. On the similar lines, we have created PowerPoint presentations. Let's take a look at the corporate presentation. The corporate presentation elaborates on vision, value, and policies of Roha, the play concept, the company's overview, the milestones, Roha brands, and the initiatives taken by Roha for social betterment. All the brands of Roha are presented in the same order as per the corporate presentation until the milestone slides, after which starts the brand slide. Let us start with Futurals first as an example. As you can see, the Futurals main slide is designed as per the new play theme, followed by the descriptions and the product range. Similarly, I will now quickly take you through other brand presentations. To start with is Idacol, featuring all its descriptions and product ranges. Next, I would present Natracol, which again features the sources and the product range of Natracol. Now followed is New Foods presentation, again having its descriptions, features, the multiple product range, and the technology of New Foods. Lastly, I present to you Simpsons, having its product descriptions and the application range of Simpsons. More information to the brand presentation should be added post the last brand slide and before the thank you slide. Similarly, for any addition to the corporate presentation should be done after the CSR JJT Foundation slide. There are a set of blank slides pre-designed for corporate and brand presentations which can be used as an extension to the main presentation if you wish to add any addition information. These blank slides have Roha logo placed on the top right and a footer strip below. Maintain them across the presentation and do not overlap them with any graphic, text or object. Please make sure the correct product range slides are used as an extension to the main presentation. With this, I conclude the play presentation. Hope you all will adhere to the new brand guidelines. A detailed communication on this will be shared shortly. Thank you so much for your time and let's have a playful journey at Roha.